Lasolinge taringi zinda ko zugi taring nganzo essential English grammar ki lopsin ship shengi batitagi din nanglo la zo nganzo gi not gakzi tidang ko la shi yorwa negative sentence to en chitula jopa di mare mindu ladang kandi re la yorwa nganzo peke nangla mame minme la drang shi yorda ta thangbo 8 nan chik ta warajina dige sentence dige helping verb dige piju chene model verb dige piju chene ke je parajina nganzo positive sentence chagora pen jashna I am a Tibetan. She is a teacher. They are dancing. It was a nice day to shilawrajin. Ta dige sangma kecha dige nga pheba yi mo gela re la ru thinde lawrajin kecha de khaptu ta nga pheba me khodi mare la ru yin baina nga ju ki not la de helping verb ki kyablo la dige helping verb dige ki kyablo la not lan thi ro pen jashina am not dune ngonzo apostrophe mt and not tina dirwa is lady is not yana isn't yana tidan tusian yorwa are not they aren't yana dune tusian tisirwa was not wasn't were not weren't dige bracket na yo changma short dune tidang redrwa khani labdu sambole odran chegirta penchashina were not weren't have not haven't has not hasn't will not won't cannot can yana can't yana could not couldn't must not mustn't should not shouldn't would not wouldn't ta dige jopana la origina I am not tired lana nga thang ching mindus it isn't raining yana it's not raining lana chawa phagge mindus they aren't yana they are not here lana konjo dela mindus Julian wasn't hungry Julian thoto mindus the shops weren't open dingela chongan dige goche mindus I haven't finished my work ngara lega thanda chamasus Sue hasn't got a car Sula thanda mota yomaris we won't be here tomorrow sanying anjo de la yomaris George can drive George mota tangshingi maris I couldn't sleep last night tangonga ni shormasus ni kutumasus I mustn't forget the phone to phone n nga n la khabata tempo maje woyoris you shouldn't work so hard chira thente kale gya woyo maris I wouldn't like to be an actor nga thapdem baji chani thu mindus chaswara tadi nanglo ne am is are present cha was were past cha have present has present will maumpa future cannot present could not model verb must should would model verb right that don't chibu again do ki gablo la not jar varjina ta do thing anju ki kisi chepa po ra dige I we you they this she dile parjina di gablo la do di anju ki do len rang sha rang anju ke he she it simple kalore subject singular ina anju ki does do does thanda chibu again ra dingi ga present simple cha ta dingi ge past tense de la karela na did ani nga jig di me phagi me lai na do not ko ching mare ko mare la na doesn't dingya la mare lai bai na cheba podi chik chig ne mang chig ne khare bai ne did not yang na didn't right ta in the I want to go out nga chilo la dongye thu dus thu min du lai na I not want la mar darwa I don't want to go out they work hard kunjo kale pe yeres they don't work hard kunjo kale yang maris Liz plays the guitar Liz ki guitar tangres ta Liz doesn't ra Liz chik redwa subject chik redwa chezan don't la mar that doesn't play the guitar my father chik ra chezan likes lene sub verb de la nganjo ki s ke ra his job nge pala khor lega go iris my father doesn't like his job ta dige past tense na la kyunna I got up early this morning thari shokba ngau lines ta di lang me la ina ra ani khandela orlana I did not ani main verb the present rang na la sha first form of verb na sha ani get up early this morning shokba ngau lang miss I worked hard yesterday kazang akale shu gains ra tadi ya me la de la did not and did la the past tense na le sarwa cheza main verb di first form chazik ngo thangbu na share da they didn't work hard yesterday kali shira ki kyamas. We played tennis. Nganzo tennis things we didn't ani play tennis. Right? And kare Dan had a bath. Dan subuturis Dan did not have a bath. Right? The dela chidu sambulang nganzo ki chazik dirang ki pas na im batungi dwara negative na su did ki pas tunza chazik ki ngo di thangbura share da don't look wait for me don't wait for me de dirang de dwara the okay di dirang ro jire shimba ke marra ta nganjogi jongsen dige chigin thangbo make these sentences negative ta nganjogi dige positive sentence tunzo negative na su da thangbo de konzo la dwa he's gone away ko Padosaris, he hasn't gone away. Doyomaris, right? They are married. Konzo changza georis are leswara helping verb dita. Konzo are not ler, right? Ane they AREN apostrophe T married len del tierda. I have had dinner nga kala satsa insta. I haven't had dinner, right? It's cold today. Tari tangmudus is rida apostrophe is the is dela apostrophe is the has rida ta kandilagore it's not cold today leche ani ngawa thukpa de langi chogi chenda ta khalado make these sentences negative ta don't doesn't didn't digel anjogi the helping verb sum the negative helping verb sum the pijo chin cha ko irterwa ta di she saw me past tense na redo myonga thongsus ani she didn't see me. I like cheese present simple ani khalere I don't like cheese. They understood past tense re dwara simple past ta khandilaure they didn't ani understood dikhar chhere first form of verb understand. He lives here present simple kote digioris ani he doesn't live here go away don't go away wrong or to put the language we chenda. Make these sentences negative. Tanganzo negative tier da. She can swim mo chugeshingiris kegashingiris she can't swim. They have arrived. That they haven't arrived. Tengige the main negative so it's dran tigin the ra gangwa de dusra in bache subject down the magi verb de. I went to the bank. That the negative nantina I didn't go to the bank. He speaks German. He don't marta doesn't speak German. Speaks dikar chegre speak. Dela khajanana doesn't lesa swara. We are angry. We were angry. Nganzo dinge kondosa de use we weren't WEREN apostrophe T angry. He will be pleased. Ani the negative now suna he won't be pleased. Phone me tonight. Gonda phone tangaladila don't phone me tonight or don't call me tonight. It rained yesterday. Kazan chawa jasungs it didn't rain first form of verb yesterday. Ani gubo chupa language enda. Next, complete these sentences with a negative verb isn't, haven't, don't. Ta dige peju cherda. And digi dodo was the are nyam do peju chego sorry was are word dige has had dige doesn't didn't karile origin de cherda. They aren't rich. They haven't got much money. Kunzo chubu mare pesha shuyo marestra ni badala. Would you like something to eat? Chiksa mixike goes. No, thank you. Ta I dash hungry. Negative so nga toto mundu laira. I am not hungry. I dash find my glasses. Have you seen them? Mixi nyig mindus ladila. I can't find my glasses. George dash writes letters very often. He prefers to use the phone. George ki yigi shira thi mare ladi. George doesn't. George michikra. We can walk to the station from here. It's dash very far. Nganzo station la dine megor papzu padu kompa jan dron digo re tharing bu yo mare le ro khachina nganzo kecha thama mare mindu kan su go ro ani it isn't very far. Where's Jill? Jill quadus. I dash no. I tadilela shiro. I don't know. I dash seen her today. I haven't seen her today. Be careful. Dash fall. Don't fall. Do not fall. We went to the cinema last night. 당원 언제 때부터 같이 I dash like the film very much. I didn't ra 가진 yesterday ra. I've been to Spain many times, but I dash been to Portugal. I haven't been to Portugal. Julia dash be here tomorrow. She's gone away. 상이 Julia 대요 말은 뭐 조사래. Julia won't be here tomorrow. 내려도 next 니들 행위 소수 취한다. Last, you ask Gary some questions. His answers are always yes or no. Write sentences about Gary, positive or negative. 따디 티와델 바위 렌데 야도아라 따디 렌데가 좀마 티고 요르다. 당보들 are you married? 라나 거기 yes 레도아. 제장 sorry no 레도아라. 제장 he isn't married 레니 델 레도아. Do you live in London? 레도아 yes 레도아. 아니 he lives in London. 따 숨바디 were you born in London? No. 아니, he wasn't born in London. 두스테르다. Do you like London? No. 아니, he doesn't like London. Would you like to live in the country? Yes, 레도아라. He likes to live in the country. Can you drive, 레도아? Yes, 레도아. He can drive. Have you got a car? No, 레도아라. 아니, sorry. He hasn't got a car. Do you read newspaper? No. He doesn't read newspaper. 두스티르다. 아니 next 직니 숨 시들랭이 속에 수수 낭레치네 언제 럽센도스 샤기.